Hello everyone, here in this practice we are going to learn how to use user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary view to retrieve information about the columns of all tables that you own. So here we have two simple practices. Query the user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary view to see information about the columns of all tables that you own. Filter the output for employees table. So let us first describe the user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary view. Run the statement. As we can see, we have many columns in user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary view. We have the table name, the column name, the data type, for example, the data length, the data scale, nullable, and so on. So we can, for example, select table underscore name and column underscore name. Select also data type, data length for the column. We can also select nullable column from user underscore tab underscore columns. We can run the select statement. So as we can see, this select statement returns the columns of all tables owned by the HR user because we are using HR underscore connection. So this select statement returns a list of all columns in all tables owned by the HR user. We want here in the practice filter the output for only employees table. So we can write here where table underscore name equal and capital employees. As we said before, if you are searching on a string in data dictionary, you have to put it in a capital letter. Once finished, run the select statement. And here we go. As we can see, we have 11 columns in the employees table. This is the employee ID, the first name, the last name, the email, the phone number, hire date, and so on. And this is the data type for each column, the length of each column, and here nullable yes or no. In the second practice, edit the previous practice that prompt the user to enter the table name. Test for table emp underscore new. So here we don't want to put employees table. We want the end user to prompt for a table name. So we can use in this case the substitution variable. We can use ampersand and for example table name. Once finished, run the select statement. As we can see, Oracle SQL developer prompt for the value of table underscore name substitution variable. We can test, for example, using emp underscore new table. Click OK. So as we can see, these are the columns in emp underscore new table. This is the employee ID, employee name, email, salary, and debt underscore ID. This is the data type of each column, and this is the length of each column, and this is nullable yes or no. We can run the select statement again and test, for example, using departments table. Click OK. So as we can see, departments table contains 4 columns, and this is the data type of each column, the length, and if it is allow null or doesn't allow null. The same list can be retrieved using Oracle SQL developer. You can go to the departments table here and just one click on the departments table, and this is the columns in the departments table. This is the column name, this is the data type, this is if it is allow null or doesn't allow null. If you want to select from all underscore tab underscore columns, the difference between user underscore tab underscore columns and all underscore tab underscore columns, as we learned before, user underscore tab underscore columns data dictionary view can be used to retrieve information about the columns created on the tables owned by the connected user, while all underscore tab underscore columns can be used to view information about the columns created on all tables that you can access. So if you select from all underscore tab underscore columns, we can select here the owner of the table, and here from all underscore tab underscore columns, and click run the statement. So these are all columns on all tables that you can access. As we can see, here is the owner, this is the table name, and this is the column name. If you want to view specific columns on a specific table, you can filter the output by using the owner and the table name. For example, you can filter where owner equal sys, and for example table underscore name equal dual. Once finished, run the select statement, and here we go. As we can see, the table owned by the sys user has only one column, which is called dummy, and the data type of the column is varchar2, and the length is 1 and nullable yes. So in this practice we learn how to use two data dictionary views, user underscore tab underscore columns and all underscore tab underscore columns. I hope this video was informative for you and thank you for watching.